Hi everyone! What's the difference between a CTO and a CIO? Let's figure it out. Watch this video till the end to discover which of these positions gets paid more. You're on the Jelvix channel, Tech in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe not to miss new videos. We release weekly. Alright, well, the CIO is a corporate executive responsible for information technology and information systems that support enterprise goals. It's a transformative role with great responsibility and a great opportunity. Here are the 4 main areas of activity for the Chief Information Officer. The role of the operator includes executing a company-wide IT security program and capabilities to secure all IT assets. The role of the business leader includes working with the IT organization and an experienced executive team. The change catalyst role implies that CIO defines a clear vision for IT-enabled business transformation and manages complex change programs. And finally, the external technologist role entails that CIO evaluates technologies and develops technical architectures to manage complexity and improve business agility. And among the top priorities for the CIO are computer security, cloud computing, information risk management, supplier relations and communication, big data analytics, and software for internal network use. Now, the CTO is an executive in charge of an organization's technological needs, as well as its research and development. By the way, we highly recommend you read the article with a full explanation of the CTO role. The link is in the description. CTO has 4 main areas of activity, namely, the role of infrastructure commander, which includes overseeing data, security, maintenance, and networking for the company, and implementing the technical strategy for the business. The role of technology guru includes developing a technical strategy for the company. The role of the client intermediary includes being responsible for customer relationships, understanding the target market, implementing technologies, and finally, the role of the big thinker includes participation in the development of corporate strategy, the use of technology, and the management of the overall technology infrastructure. Now, that sounds pretty impressive, doesn't it? And among the best new technologies that a CTO should prioritize are cloud migration and adoption, creating a security strategy, automation implementation, using AI and machine learning, blockchain and cryptocurrencies, implementation of low-code and no-code tools, and virtual and augmented reality. It sounds like CTO is much more important than CIO for a company, doesn't it? Share what you think in the comments section. Now let's move on to a detailed comparison of these positions. For the most part, CTOs and CIOs are on the same level, but the CIO is the highest ranking person reporting directly to the CEO. In turn, the CTO may report to the CIO, the CEO, or both, depending on the company. Talking about technology strategy and planning, both professionals are strong strategic thinkers and work to ensure that the company's technologies fit the business's overall needs. However, the CIO owns the corporate IT strategy, and the CTO is responsible for developing and delivering a product or service. Covering technical aspects, both roles should have a deep understanding of the business's technical needs and how to develop innovative tools. Nevertheless, the CIO is an expert in managing internal operations and technology-related business initiatives, and the CTO is a specialist in product delivery and software development. Talking about management functions, both experts supervise the work of the department and manage the team. However, there are differences here too, because the CIO has a holistic view of the entire organization, and the CTO leads teams of engineers and developers who work to execute the IT strategy by building the technology that customers need. The metrics they monitor are also different. So the CIO controls internal system costs and ROI, and the CTO monitors performance. Now, you're probably eager to know who gets paid more. Well, let's find out. According to Glassdoor, the average annual salary for CIO is $209,073, and the CTO gets $213,447. According to Salary.com, CIO gets the average annual payment of $293,562, and the CTO gets $256,604. And according to Indeed, the average annual salary for CIO is $107,403, and the CTO gets $152,938. Well, CIO and CTO have a lot in common and may overlap in several areas. In larger companies, this overlap allows executives to work together as a collective team. And do you think your company needs one or both of these specialists? This video was prepared by the Jelvix team. We help top brands worldwide to innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We share the latest news about tech trends and innovations. New videos are pushed every week, so make sure to subscribe not to miss a single video. Also, share which topics we need to cover next on our channel. And don't forget to press the bell button. Bye for now.